Tamang kape lang sa umaga. Local coffee. Look at that. Amazing. The best. Welcome.
Ano bili mo? Ayun, Bustalan coffee, oh.
Ito yung tindahan ni Apo, ano? Ate?
Magkano yung
Tindahan ni Apo?
mas mura dito?
Isang daan. Isang daan dito. May 50 ganyan. Pero mas maganda to kasi may nakalagay na the legendary tattoo artist Robos Kalinga. Kulang na lang dito.
Ayan, 100.
Finally. Sorry to. Thank you. The hanging bridge going to Buscalan. Now, it's like 250 meters, I guess. Look at that view everywhere. Oh, amazing. Then a small waterfalls. Nature's wonder. Only in Buscalan. Bye. See you in Sagada. Oh my God! They are.
Ayun lang?
Tamang tambay lang while waiting. Bro, sinasa Sagada Mountain Province. So we're heading to Sagada. Or we are right now in Sagada. Actually, pato na po lunch time. Dito migikan guys. On the other side. From Bontok. Then, welcome to Sagada Weaving. Established in 1968, home of quality hand-woven products. CR sa baba. CR sa baba. May CR daw sa baba. Punta ka doon. Ang binili niyo? From Sagada Weaving in ice cream. Avocado at saka wild berries.